Well, the doctor bird is a national bird. Jamaica's national bird. And it's a scissor-tail doctor bird, not just a normal hummingbird, a scissor-tail doctor bird.
Portland is one of the most unique parish in Jamaica. Greenery, the vegetation is good. It's a place of quietness, less violence, and a place you can relax. When you have stress, you can relax. So many places in Portland that you can relax.
What's up, friends and family? It's Rochielin here again on another country vlog again, and I am again in Portland, Jamaica today. You know, the usual. Thank you guys so much for the feedback from the last Portland videos. I see that you guys love them. So I'm here, and you know, it's all about just touring Jamaica and showing you guys what Jamaica is about. So we're just gonna continue that as much as possible, bring you on my journey. It's a lifestyle channel, so it's all about my lifestyle and what I'm doing in that given time. Right now we're on the road. I tour Jamaica, I journey Jamaica, so of course I have to bring her with me. And as I said, I'm in Portland again, so you know, I'm gonna show you what's happening. Hair color change again from purple now to green, you know, so we can't stay one way because we're not boring. But yeah, welcome to all of you. I see you guys are from near and far, all over the world. I see people from the US, UK, India, Chile, Nigeria, Kenya, Barbados, Trinidad, all over the place. You know, thank you guys so much for tuning in to Rochielin. I appreciate each of you. Remember to follow me on Instagram at Rochielin and Twitter, and subscribe before you continue watching. Right? Let's go. This place a big, man. Alright guys, so I'm here with Chevanice and Chevante. Manasio. Hello. And we're in the bush. Let us walk and see what's on this property. You know, real country life, Portland life. She's from Portland. Yes, I am. How you like it in Portland?
It's okay.
Yeah? You ever been to Kingston?
Of course. I don't know. Everybody got to Kingston.
No, actually no.
Well, yes.
No.
That's true. What? Like, I forgot to Kingston for like things
and everything, right? But Portland is home.
Yes.
I like Portland mostly. Let me tell you something. A bright sparks. I'll tell you more about her a little later. For now, in the bush. And let me show you what.
Scissor-tail doctor bird.
Alright, so that's Jamaica's national bird.
Wow, we pretty.
You know how much people have never seen that?
Wow.
But I'm not seeing it properly.
See him fly gone in the bush?
Oh yeah.
You see him?
Yeah, I'm gone now. Yeah, barely, but I'm gone.
You know, say, them rear now, them almost extinct, you know.
How come them extinct? How come them extinct? Huh? Dean? Dean?
Because a development seem coming back. Because
guys, you guys remember Dean from the last video? Mr. Famous?
In perch again. See him right there, Rachel?
Where?
Yeah. Right there, right?
Oh yeah, I'm barely see, barely.
They can zoom up.
I'm zooming now. Okay.
Look at the tail, man.
So that's the doctor bird. Yeah. You guys can barely see it, but it's Jamaica's national bird.
Wow.
Scissor-tail doctor humming.
You see the dance?
Hold on, a doctor bird or hummingbird?
Hummingbird, same thing.
Same thing. Doctor bird and hummingbird.
Ah, so, uh-oh.
In Barbados we said hummingbird.
So Dean, tell us about the bird.
Well, the doctor bird is a national bird. Jamaica's national bird. And it's a scissor-tail doctor bird, not just a normal hummingbird, a scissor-tail doctor bird. They are almost extinct because of the development. But you still find a lot of them in Jamaica if you go deep in the woods, like here. But It's a beauty. It's a beauty. It's a rare occasion that you buck up on one.
Wow. You guys heard it. That's Dean for you. I hope you guys remember. You must remember Dean. Dean is a hit.
What's the concern?
More know about art. So I have a YouTube channel, right?
Yes.
And I basically go around Jamaica and showing different parts of Jamaica and showing, you know, just the history and just what's happening, especially for those persons that are overseas, that are Jamaican, that don't get to come home
Yes,
for a long
CIA.
time.
Yes, CIA.
No, it's not a CIA.
Private
no.
investigator.
I'm a private, you notice me very public with it. I'm tell you before I start filming. So I just you see me, so I just talk about Jamaican
Private
things.
investigator.
The beauty of... No man, I'm not vex man, my skin nothing.
Yeah, so what you saying?
What's your name by the way?
My name is Keith Minot.
Keith Minot. And you're a Portland resident.
Portland resident. I'm a retired agriculture assistant. I'm a just of the peace and I'm a farmer.
Okay, where you farm?
Well, I plant coconut, soursop.
You don't have no right sauce I can give me?
Not presently. And I have custard apple.
Custard, you know how long I don't see custard
coconut,
apple?
yes. And plantain.
Wow.
Plantain. And I put in some banana also.
Okay. So what's interesting about Portland that you
Portland
want to share?
is one of the most unique parish in Jamaica. Greenery, the vegetation is good.
Yeah.
It's a place of quietness, less violence, and a place you can relax. When you have stress, you can relax. So many places in Portland that you can relax.
I totally agree.
Stress free.
I totally agree. It's so serene and just green and you're just one with nature when you're here. It's one of my favorite parishes. And I feel like it's like the most untapped, naturally beautiful parish.
Amen to that.
You know, it's one of the most naturally beautiful.
Amen to that.
So talk to me now, Marisa. Tell me more things about Portland where you want the world to know. What interesting about Portland?
Portland that you have in, especially in West Portland, Western Portland.
Western Portland.
You have a lot of unique places that do not publicize. Well, we have in the Buffalo Valley especially, we have a place we call One Drop, where the water beautiful. One drop.
Like everybody
where in the scene come down the water, you call it One Drop. You have a place where with the slavery house. You have a slavery house where is the oldest slavery house in a place we call Orangeville. The property belongs to the Welch. The oldest slavery house where them used to really have slave, them have them one prison and what have you there. That is a unique. Where that you have maybe actually every month you have student from you will come and travel the Maroon Rune.
Oh, I need to go to that.
And you have the Maroon Museum also in Charlestown.
So how do I get in contact with that?
Sorry for that. Sorry. 30, I soon call you back. I'm gonna call. Yes. Yes, they have the Maroon Rune in Charlestown, wherein that you can go there and make a connection to really visit to see the old slavery. It is a slavery thing that you can get the whole history of the slavery in Charlestown.
Oh wow.
You have the hiking also in a place called Lancaster. Where you hike from Portland to St. Andrew.
Through Blue Mountain?
No, not through the Blue Mountain. It's a part of the Blue Mountain where you do your hiking also.
Okay.
And you have a place in Rochielin where that them have a building there that you can really log in and do booking, enjoy the river, and can do hiking also in the Blue Mountain here also. And a place called Sambo Hill where you travel from Charlestown through the hills back where slaves used to travel back into Rochielin. And then when you come through, you can go to the traveling hall and refresh yourself, have a shower in the river, enjoy the river water.
Nice. I can see you're definitely from Portland. You know a lot of places.
Born and bred Portland.
No, ma'am. I need some of these places are definitely.
So you're welcome whenever time. My number is 887. Or you come to Portland and you can enjoy.
Say sure you want to tell the world this. I go worldwide.
887.
Yeah, look at wife.
Name.
Because you may just find
No,
a wife here.
I have a wife. I don't want to commit. What they call it? Bigamy? What they call it? Alright, me know what I'm going to.
Bigamy?
Bigamy, yes. Yes.
He has a wife, guys.
No. But I'm very socialized. I'm a very socialized person.
Okay. Understood. Alright, so anything else you want to share?
Well, this section where we are now,
Homework.
most of it, or 3/4 of it, is just pure pimento
On this land.
on this land. Pimento is what they really use for some spice, for some spices. So then a small section of the land is planted with cocoa, and a small section planted with lime.
Okay.
Lime.
So people do lime on a large
Well, the
scale?
lime, yes, because now that not lot of people now going in for lime juice when them can't get the bitter lemon, that's them call it. Them go for the lime juice.
Okay.
Really good to really juice in warm water and good for them to take off the belly fat and what have you, and the stomach, what is good. Right now, agriculture is a backbone for this country and any country right now. So I would like to see this land develop into agriculture.
Okay.
Any more questions? Based on the crime rate so far, this parish is really down. When it comes on to crime rate, it's not high as the rest of parish. I can't really give the figure up front what, but the crime rate
No.
is low in this parish.
Guys, look here. The thing on my clothes again. Burr.
Yeah, we call it burn.
Portland full of these things.
Yes, but when you're into the
When in a bush.
the bush and they really don't maintain, you will always find that.
Alright, so we're just a walk and explore the land and the property. Shavini is here again. Oh my god, I feel like I'm blending in with the trees because I'm in green.
And in here.
And then the hair green, oh my god. Like a real camouflage. But look how my shoes, I have bare things in my shoes. How my shoes. All of these things stuck up on it, the burr. I need to get proper garments for the bush life. I don't have bush clothes. I need some boots, some proper water boots and stuff.
You know what this is?
Junker beads.
Yes.
There we go.
This is a bead that they call drunker bead. There's no significant purpose more than that, like school children generally use it, put it into a little container and use it as school, just as a souvenir. But there's no significant purpose of this, to my knowledge.
Okay. So it's not actually from Junker.
No, not that junker.